Malik Basinteli, one here I bet Boa Sumonti. While here God and the best sour Mwako baby of free. What can God avoid Jimmy on? Telling Ghanaian you to say, NDC are buying NDU to be.
Malik say, Omo fulfill manifesto no omo ready to Ghana for youth in the more cast or dig akwa mama mu no fulfill ni nyina enti say na we youth wo Ghana ha na wo se wonya adwuma ya na wusua wadwenya adwuma Malik say yen kan kire because according to Malik no se wa fulfill bibia.
We know what we were about. We were firm and we had an aim. And I can tell you today that the NDC is virtually the first political party to have fulfilled our entire youth manifesto in 1 year. Everything we promised in there, we have done it. And so I bring you good news from President Mahama. I bring you good news from President Mahama. He says we are going to go back to the drawing board, and for the first time, we will put together a second manifesto and we shall implement it again before the end of his tenure.
Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana in Sem TVGH so. What frame Adjoa searching him. Ebusian for Mr. So on subscribe ya Mr. No subscribe me and notification bell no so for more news. Ebusian for Abrantia or that screen news in GDA pass will be a inimino Malik Basintali. Malik Basintali 2024 yaba betua bano and the campaign na NDC for year no. Ye na ye dia dance say Malik Basintali e promise Ghana youth na heaven and earth. Malik e catch Ghana youth bia say on salai enkoto abanfama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na se nyame ya adom na NDC for en saka tumi na. Omo be make sure on be seal to 8 say youth bia be comfortable wo man mu on be nya adwuma ye na omo rent omo light to water bill na ade no bed ne kakra afi omo so. Ghana youth de ose eye oyo ekoto abadema NDC amayokuro. Na Malik Basintali NDC for ban His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or appointing no say uncle why uncle your boss wo ho na on make sure say promises are or the my youth no obe fulfill it. Na ebusian for Malik Basintali ye name say NDC for akomo just 4 months and omwenya 2 years. Panikromo fa binto fem. Akwanya omo yi na akwanya NPP aban no starting omo etua so. Almost almost stabilize the dollar no. Sisi dollar ni gina 11 12. And so economy no emu aye dinya than COVID time. Sisi Ghana enyama prices good price of goods akosro. Aduane aye to edukra ne bo aye chese the way Ghana esi aye no eye more than say na ye COVID-19 era.
Malik Basinteli, one here I bet Boa Sumonti. While here God and the best sour Mwako baby of free. What can God avoid Jimmy on? Telling Ghanaian you to say, NDC are buying NDU to be a car because wow, must share you to them to Abama Muninano, ma for feeling in every. So the Ghanaian youth owe you guys nothing. And we should even expect another manifesto because the previous manifesto I must Ghana YouTuber, some bro mu Juma. I'm a member name Biayan, ma for feeling in that the Bufu Cran said was saying how say they fulfilled it within 1 year. What but that mong? What guys our political gimmick is need Jimmy no. The Ghanaians are so fools. Me no guys even NDC full soldiers. They are watching you and you know they are wondering say akwa but that man away nipa. Wa fellow northerners no free stream. Obinya akra sa do be kun Malik I'm telling you. Because any pane bre as an NDC full soldier no onye adwuma anya mo baaye or bre or sumun fi no. And you are able to hold mic and tell Ghana, say, you own Ghanaian youth nothing. Why? Because you have fulfilled all the things I'm in your manifesto for the youth. Hey, next time your record, you see me before Ghana say, a record they been see done NDC for 1 year. And to see the Mahama catch that will say, Monsanfa manifesto for from bra. Now the moody can't buy any 1 year, the month for failing in 7 years. What but Dama na Sabueno? Ah, bueno, okay. Basintali. Why ya basi sawu no Jimmy ni na akọ ba bia ofri ba yo ana aya na munye tumi na na mu refi ala I don't know mu hwe news ana munye tumi no ana munye asetena bia I say Ghana economy ni ye dey be special one mamo Munto aduane, munto nsuo, munto hwee, munto electricity bill. Like you don't even have time to watch news on the economy, what is going, how bad it is. Muntie here for like won't even that dream of I say heaven be a winning the mebunu come on. Into here was say like the life you are living, you know, Ghana taxpayers money HR. So be a living. You are not a good politician. A good politician is somebody who descends so low to listen to the cries of the beloved people of a state. And so yes, I know we are. You won't see such an abominable waste. Someone fulfilling all the wishes, you know. As I said, what the two ni pakumemu, and your desire say, oh, way we wish for. And Muhammad said he's going to do it for us. But fulfilling all those promises within a year. But
just say, I remember no NDC phone one left from one right. And ye did your mem in ya din. And then nurses, equa placards, demonstration. NDC for promises and say automatic posting. Nti yeji yade na kokwa for your demonstration na teachers isu nadmo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama onankasa appointed nadmo directors omo ko 2 years omo 1 month pay mpom by minimum bia oye nadmo director e wasi kuma doben brakwa oye me best friend 2 years oko 2 years omo ntua neka enso NDC aban abo besia na ebisa sesika no mo e de no mo de ye ebusuafo ya fa nto nchen no Malik Basintali, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama appointing an ordinary call why you know. And then wabe catch a Ghana phone say, or the a friend say, where be up be, upejuma ya koso, uko click so up in be. San ya ditimana just say you to know, ubi out to Najum yet, baby. And then 3 days, Malik Basintali, and for video in Brabontia Malik. Ghana youth ne Malik Basintali si yankancha mo se mo adwen enye adwuma Malik say abra oba politics me no otesa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama aka kire Ghana youth Ghana nyina say ye was short memory inti Malik tis asem no na o steady Ghana fo a ewiase nyina Ghana ena ya IQ ewiase nyina omo IQ ewo low kra Ghana na yeto so 203 no Malik Basintali say yampa nti otena sia steady Ghana fo no dada mo amokoto abadema NDC no mo bae no muntumi en fulfill a promise no mo de ma mo na motimo baby no Malik Basintali si en kanche mo se mo ya abodanfo se bi o mo ye nkwasiafo mo nim ne mo ye Malik se mo ye agimefo kire se omo bae promises omo make omo cars omo de bra youth ni na omo fulfill it
see but
promises ni nyina no
yeah ebi su temu ho
na we na Basintali say first you o ma wie ni
oh forget about Basintali now there's all guys in a campaign platform so I think that where he works in a campaign platform he's a joke if we are holding people accountable he should be held accountable or the governance is diagro the standards are falling what can't find nobody it's an insult to us you sit somewhere and just talk all these things to us at our faces. What the governance is there? I just don't want to even call out that name. Hey, Obi anymore in Ghana. Any pa any munana wa. Na na mo background. Cast bed you already did much cover. Na man pay na mo kwa de no deba. Oba apart from the specialized cast there man is on phone to sana mo. Ye hu ana. Some of these chief executives and ministers, they are abusing every opportunity, living as if there is nobody ahead of them.
But say if you are also cast are based on information.
What information? But that information or the one who they want to be man, I say, let's not allow politicians to be doing this to us. Let's not do that. Only the show of office because when you say behind any shade, they'll pay me no African. If you are accountable to Ghanaians, if this is the way the president is behaving now. I said, okay. Because I don't want to call out his name. Official told us in the campaign platforms. Politicians, they easily forget themselves. They 2 million now. Now big shake up ever. And most chief executives, they will go down.
CEOs.
Of course. As it stands now, ministers of more cabinet of guarantees of 3. And guarantees of ratio for bigger one ever. 3. 3, I can boldly call out 2. 2 nuclear 1 na medical that to ya. Of course.
And John Janapo.
2 asa.
Obi anye.
Omo ke bia no omutirikika. O don koso nkeka kika nsem we nchira amanfo nsa ni koye adwuma. Because the governors are going here. People queue to go and vote.
for you to continuously propagate falsehood and lies.
Now, what do you call a lie? Or say, I buy the first government within 1 year.
Yeah.
Fulfill every promise in their youth manifesto.
Mesro, Ukra, the enemy, the enemy, Dennis said, Ukra was a Murano ni Bibia. Yeah, they say I could try the Niaba. It means no maham. So, my king catch you. The out here, who says, answer me, can I making country we are also there be a year, also there be a year. Don't be sure the 1 year away in the and I say by the time next year we have done it
almost a new manifesto for the youth. They should just
let's get serious on this matter. Because if you tell me that 133 who catch them say it's been done 133 say it's been done. Not 24-hour economy, they say about 24-hour explanation. Every time we are explaining things, 24-hour economy, I bet 24-hour explanation. Is that what they want to tell us now? Obia redefine what the 24-hour meant. Obia redefine. So they should take governance, some of them, they should take governance serious. But can't you say enough of the optics? No, enough. Get down there and work because there's a lot to be done in this country. Nekura obi, what fit your first light problems are now. Not even a respect from the urban roads or highways or wherever to write to Ghanaians to say, Adiana muhu ohonom yes, yes, with impunity. Nobody is held accountable for anything. To be found. Such a major area. City
from Hanson
time memorial edaho ya wadwumakua ehwema saade ye adwuma no obi amfa ho odopa come nobody cares. That's why we have a problem in this country. We are getting into a chaotic scene. They are not seeing it. They are only amassing wealth. That's the best thing they're not doing. They are amassing wealth at the expense of the citizenry. It is the contract now no munya sa o public office. How and your how Sika Obenya Ninyoma and Sam Fatal Baye and now would actually.
Malik say, Omo fulfill manifesto no mu ready to Ghana for youth in the name cast or dig aqua mamma no more fulfilling in na. And is end away youth to Ghana Hana was so near Juma and Awusia. Why dream near Juma Malik is young country because according to Malik and also what fulfill the BBA video ni yet here dada. Malik is why a BBA o. Just say. And the youth dear or Ghana high Juma ye. Tis a over catching and say, Wun Yeduma, not just a wide dream Yeduma Malik Noka. Yet Sigama ha, and another donkey kufa Dubai. Nurses na teachers are mugufi, another be farm munina, and yan or the nap go by. We ye nap quite till 2022 nimwa, COVID by and never by a basa. And an up on Jigui. Then the Biameka send people for San up Jumana went in the empty a youth in the campus area and 1 year. Some more the idea bar, more most say some mudrin youth in one, a senka there more starting and more finishing, and the Biameka, but at least more yard. And this for between foot trade with Ghana friend in the cocoa of walking man, walking from 400 cities to 3,001 back again to 2001. Under this current administration, and youth in the Malik must intelligence and country some waging Yajuma can your friends and promises or make you more for failure youth be a Yajuman more da soon so say moon Yajuman ya Malik is on no where we offend say Jumedia his excellency John Dramani Muhammad is sharing in Sano one for failure on the youth be a cat one more be a Juma and more be in Sunguna soon. And pronounce the new manifesto about na some manifesto in so de. Mo from share your fumu or mobile no many Juma Yansana, his excellency John Dramani Mahama, a fiab a member so. Into young country mo say, you to be a only baby one casa won near Juma and watching your Juma.